8:30 this morning.
Time now is 22 minutes to 9. Falling temperatures, frosty mornings. Can mean one thing, it's the countdown to Christmas is on. We are going to find out exactly what is happening with the weather because Matt is out and about for us this morning, so we will get the very latest and a long-term forecast for the next few days with him.
What you're thinking is, what is that picture that we've brought up behind us there? So this is the story. A nurse from South Yorkshire has been named the best in the UK in recognition of her work treating patients with blood disorders.
Cathy Harrison is an advanced nurse practitioner at Sheffield Teaching Hospitals who's been raising awareness of chronic and rare blood conditions. Our reporter Cathy Killick has been to meet her.
Cathy Harrison has devoted nearly 20 years of her career to patients with bleeding disorders, but she also takes care to pass on her expertise to others, creating a national course for nurses and working many extra hours in education. And it's this dedication to the wider world of nursing that led Cathy to being honoured at a prestigious award ceremony in London.
And the winner is Cathy Harrison.
She walked away with the Nursing Times Nurse of the Year award.
Very, very surprised. I was very pleased that I hadn't had a drink and that I was sober for walking the full length of the room to get up and get the award. I was almost embarrassed. It felt kind of surreal, but I am incredibly proud, and so are my parents.
It's not just her parents who are proud. Her colleagues are too. It's meant a lot to them to see Cathy's work recognised and for the spotlight to be shone on blood and bleeding disorders, a little-known area of medicine that profoundly affects patients and their families.
We get to know multiple generations of a family, so we're looking after inherited conditions. So we can have 3 or 4 generations of the same family here in the service. And now, having worked for the team for nearly 20 years, I'm now seeing the babies that I've seen born coming through into adult service as well, which does make me feel slightly old, but it is also really lovely.
It's also a particularly science-led branch of medicine, and as a self-confessed science geek, Cathy has found her niche. Winning the award is simply the cherry on her cake. Cathy Killick, BBC News.
Time now is 8:40. Falling temperatures.